Most people do research the hard way. You open a dozen tabs, you read half an article, bookmark it, forget about it. 2 hours later, you've got nothing useful. Here's what I do instead. And it's faster, cleaner, and honestly kind of embarrassing how much time I was wasting before. I'm George, and this is Claude AI Unlock, where Claude runs the show and I just hit publish. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to use Claude as your personal research assistant. We're talking real-world workflows that actually save you time. Whether you're researching for a business decision, a school project, a blog post, or just trying to understand something complicated. Let's get into it. Step 1. Start with a research brief prompt. Most people just type a question into Claude and get an answer. That's fine, but it's not research. That's just asking. Here's the difference. Instead of typing, "What is intermittent fasting?" try this. I want to understand intermittent fasting from multiple angles. What it is, the science behind it, who it works for, who it doesn't, and any ongoing debates in the research. Give me a structured overview I can build on. That one change takes you from a Wikipedia-style paragraph to a real research foundation. Claude structures it, covers every angle, and tells you where things are still being debated. It's like having a research assistant who already read everything before you walked in. Step 2. Use follow-up prompts to go deeper. This is where most beginners stop. They read Claude's first answer and they're done. But the real power is in the follow-up. You can say, "Go deeper on the scientific debates," or "Summarize the arguments against it," or "Who are the leading voices in this field?" Every follow-up sharpens the picture. You're not just asking Claude to inform you, you're having a real research conversation. Step 3. Ask Claude to map both sides. Here's one of my favorite research prompts. What are the strongest arguments on both sides of this debate, and where do most experts actually land? Claude doesn't just hand you one perspective, it maps the whole landscape. That's incredibly useful when you're trying to form your own opinion or write something credible. Step 4. Ask for a summary you can actually use. Once you've gone deep enough, end with this. Summarize everything we've covered into a clean, organized research brief I can reference later. Claude pulls it all together into something you can save, share, or build on. No copy-pasting from 15 tabs. No mess. And here's the part most people don't realize. Claude holds the full conversation in memory the whole time. So you can keep refining, keep pushing deeper, and keep building without ever starting over. Research doesn't have to be a 2-hour rabbit hole. With the right prompts, Claude turns it into a 10-minute workflow that's actually better. If this helped you, give it a like. It seriously helps the channel grow. And subscribe so you don't miss what's coming tomorrow. See you then.